what happens when an F-22 faces another F-22? The U.S. Air Force may use its older F-22s as enemy fighters in mock combat exercises as a way to fully prepare F-22 pilots for major air warfare against the most advanced opponents in the world. The Air Force has 186 F-22 fighters and, as is widely known, does not plan to build new ones or restart production lines. Many of the more modern F-22 variants have received a major software upgrade, called 3.2B, giving them new advanced weaponry, computer systems, and avionics to sustain the stealth fighter into the 2040s and beyond. The question then becomes, what should happen to the older ones? We could fly the older F-22s in a Red Air role and put our students into the newer ones to make effective use of the older planes. The 3.2B weapons improvements arm F-22s with AIM-9X Block 2, an adaptation which builds upon the existing Block 1. Raytheon AIM-9X weapons developers explain that the Block 2 variant adds a redesigned fuse and a digital ignition safety device that enhances ground handling and in-flight safety. Block 2 also features updated electronics that enable significant enhancements, including lock-on after-launch capability using a new weapon data link to support beyond visual range engagements, a Raytheon statement said. Another part of the weapons upgrade includes engineering the F-22 to fire the AIM-120D, a beyond visual range advanced medium-range air-to-air missile AMRAAM designed for all-weather day and night attacks. It is a fire-and-forget missile with active transmit radar guidance, Raytheon data states. A hardware portion of the upgrades, called a tactical mandate, involves engineering new antennas specifically designed to preserve the stealth configuration of the F-22. The new antennas have been in the process of being constructed and retrofitted onto the airplane. The Air Force is also in the early phases of designing new sensors for its stealthy 5th-generation F-22 Raptor. Like the F-35, the latest F-22s have radar synthetic aperture radar, and Datalink's F-22 has Link 16 radar warning receivers and targeting technologies. The SAR uses electromagnetic signals or pings to deliver a picture or rendering of the terrain below, enabling better target identification. Using the older F-22s in red team formations, pitted against current F-22s, raises an interesting proposition for several reasons. While the advanced or more modern F-22s will likely have better sensors, weapons range and delivery, as well as improved radar and threat warning systems, both the older and newer models likely have similar maneuverability in many respects. Sure, the newer ones may have improved stealth exterior coating and many other technical features not present in the older models, yet fighting them against one another in training seems to offer a valuable opportunity for pilots to refine dogfighting and air attack skills. This kind of training would be invaluable to emerging F-22 pilots, given that the aircraft is widely regarded as the most dominant or superior air-to-air fighter in the world. Going against F-22s themselves may prove to be a significant and extremely helpful preparation for future air combat challenges.